There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2018 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop all-wheel drive in Redline Red. With low beam HID headlamps, performance front fascia, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, gloss black exterior mirrors, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control with stop, blind spot and cross path detection, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, 3-zone automatic temp control, Beats premium audio system, selectable steering modes, remote start system, second row 60/40 fold and tumble seat, rear seat video system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5422A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.